Speeding and undertaking will cause problems. Clip 3 follows on from clip 2 along the same highway, and we see more speeding and undertaking happening. Just watch this white Toyota van speed along and then watch it attempt to undertake the car in front of it. Notice that 7-seater vehicles and vans like this white Toyota van are pretty unstable at high speeds going around bends. And this road is notorious for speeding and for car accidents. It is the reason why the speed cameras are placed along this highway. The white Toyota van tailgates and brakes, and then the other cars all brake as well because they know they are approaching the speed camera. So why speed?